Hyatt Regency Bellevue adopted this site about a year ago, and prior to their support, very little to no restoration efforts have been done at the Belmondo Reach Natural Area.
The project is designed to help restore native plants to the Cedar River watershed, where we get all of the water for all of King County, Washington.
I'm actually really proud to work for a company that does things like this, for the community, for the environment.
We've done many community involvements, from beach cleanups, from painting schools, and this is just another way of giving back to the community.
Everybody's willing to get their hands dirty and get down and do something wonderful because they know that they themselves will benefit, as will their families.
I'm having a blast working, sweating, laughing, having a good time getting out here and being with my coworkers.
Had an awesome time.
It was fun. We can't wait to do it next year and give back to the community.
Go community!